Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunji. This is Cooking with Kunji. Just doing something a little different today, doing a vlog style video. Just thought I might record this. I am going to be cooking something on my smoker right here. This is my Oklahoma Joe's offset smoker. I have some chicken thighs and a whole chicken cut into 2 halves. And I'm going to do some jerk chicken hot and fast with my offset smoker that's using indirect heat. Very different from how I've always done jerk chicken before. Stay tuned, see how I make this. Macarona board. So as my coals are being lit right there behind me, I can show you what I'm going to be cooking with. I'm trying out this new seasoning, new to me, Thai coconut curry jerk. It's not a spicy marinade, it's one of the sweet and sassy ones. I also have the regular jerk sweet and sassy. I'm also using a little bit of the hot and spicy. For one of my dry rubs, I'm using the Booyah. I haven't really made a video of, using these on the grill before. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be just making, a few different varieties of chicken. This should be a short cook. I'm going to be cooking in the smoker, but I'm going to be doing it hot and fast. So probably about 2 hours. Have some really delicious chicken. Stay tuned. Watch this. Hey, so my chicken is on. Right now I'm just gonna make sure I maintain my temp at 350 for about an hour. All I'm gonna do is just play with the damper doors right there. Make sure I just let enough air in. It's hot out here. Got me a black and tan. 30 minutes in, I'm gonna check right now, see how my chicken is doing. Watch this. So right now it's been an hour and I'm gonna check out this chicken. Watch. So after an hour of cooking, everything is looking good. The chicken is probably cooked, but I just really wanted to smoke now and really get that charcoal and wood flavor that we all like when it comes to the grill. So right now my grill is sitting at a nice 275. Well, that's about 280 right there. Real easy. So what we're gonna do is just let it sit for about another 45 minutes. We'll go ahead and take it off and you guys can watch when I cut this chicken how juicy and delicious it is. Keep in mind, I didn't brine this chicken, I didn't marinate it for hours. All I did, take it out and let it air dry for a little bit, put some seasonings underneath the skin, put some dry rub on top, and we're gonna have some delicious jerk chicken in just a little bit. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, so right now my chicken has been going for about 2 hours. To recap, I had my fire going with some Jealous Devil charcoal along with some mesquite chunks, and I used 1 split of hickory, and for 2 hours kept me going pretty good. No problems. Chicken looks really good. Just That's my whole chicken right there, cut in half, Texas style. And my fire is still going. So I'm gonna cut these chickens right now and let you see what they look like. Stay tuned. So right now our chicken is done on the grill. This took us 2 hours. Probably could have gone less. If you look at this chicken, it is really cooked on the inside, but the chicken is not dried out. Okay? Really juicy, delicious. Goodness. So, look at that. Really juicy. And the skin outside is just so good. I will drop the ingredients and the description down below. You guys should go and check it out. Also, go ahead and check out the rest of the channel. Check out my Ninja Foodie playlist, my chicken playlist, my pork playlist. I have a ton. Alright? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.